Hey Greg, thank you so much again for helping me out in the last minute of the project where I kept having issue with my time zone in the server where I just kept thinking I'm one day ahead. I highly appreciate your help again where you helped me within 3 minutes, which is super awesome. So my theme of the project, as we are aware, the project theme was to help the world make a better place. So I've decided to create an uh, app where it keep track of your coupons in one location. Why not? I mean, we all love coupons and we love to keep track of coupons in one specific location instead of keeping track of all our paper based coupons daily, which they can easily get lost. So, the coupon collector, I called it Coupon Buddy. I couldn't think of any better name than Coupon Buddy, and it just, yeah, keep track of all your coupons in one place. The table is very simple. All the data set is coming off from this database. I call it coupon database. Here you can see I entered some dummy data previously to test run the session, and it fairly works very fair and simple. You can see the name of the store on this section, the name of the coupon regarding to the information based on the coupon, and whether the coupon is about percentage off or if it's $1 off. And then here you see the expiration date when the coupon will expire, and on the status it tells you whether the coupon is any if it's still valid or if it's still if it expires today or if it's already expired. So I color coded them by green, which means it's still valid. If it's expired, it's red, and if it's expired today, it will turn yellow. And the last option is to delete the coupon once it's no longer in use. So let's give a test run about how this coupon buddy works. Very plain and simple. All you do here is just click on add your coupon and you get reloaded to a form page. And here I will fill in the information. I'll say the store is Foot Locker. Coupon name, 15% off any Nike items. Why not? Here I will say it's 15% off. I'll leave the dollars blank. And here I will say expires in June, the end of June. Okay, and I'll hit submit and it refreshes the page and it tells you, okay, this is the information that you have added. So once I click on home, it will tell me this is I should be able to see this information in my table. Okay, there you go. So I see Foot Locker right here, 15% off any Nike items. I said percentage off is 15, dollar off is 0 because I left it blank. Now the cool thing I did about here is if the user has no information or value in any of the data between percentage off or dollar off, it will turn gray. So it instead of just being plain white, I just added the color background gray if it's value and if it's equal to null. And then I said the expiration date is June, end of June. So if it's still a valid coupon, and I can delete it once it's July. Very simple. How about I add another coupon and I say that it has already expired just to make sure it works. So let's enter another coupon. Here I can say it's Dunkin' Donuts. Uh, dollar off iced coffee. Why not? I love iced coffee. And this time I will say it's $1 off instead of percentage off because I said it's $1 off. So this time I should be getting a gray box in the percentages off. Here the expiration, I will say, remember I said it has already expired. So we're doing a test run about expiration. It has already passed the expiration date. So I will say here May the 1st. Once I hit submit, it refreshes the page and it tells you here the information that you have just entered. And once I click on home again, I should be looking for Dunkin' Donut, and here you go, Dunkin' Donut, and it's dollar off iced coffee. This time instead of getting the gray option on dollars, I'm getting it on percentage because I left that blank and I put the dollar off in the I put a value in there. That's why it's no longer gray. And I said that it expired on May the 1st, and then it automatically checked the logic statement with the if, that if it's expired, it should turn red. Here, yep, so it's telling me the right information that the coupon has overpassed. It's May the 1st, so today is May the 15th. Obviously, I should be getting a red background over here, so why should I keep track of something that is already expired? So let's just click on delete. It refreshes the page and it takes it off my table. Very fun, very simple, keeps track of everything in one location. Again, yeah, I really enjoyed working on this application that I built for my final exam, and I hope you enjoyed more than I did. Thanks again, Greg, for teaching the class. I really enjoyed the way you taught this class with your video sessions. They were really fun to watch, especially the Dora the Explorer moments that you did, whether we understand what you're about to type next. Those are really funny to watch about you staring at the camera. It was great and really gave us the opportunity to rewatch the video as many times as we wanted. That kept us away from emailing you when we had any issues with the code, or um, I'm glad it worked. This method actually helped me out a lot by all those um, extra sessions, extra links that you have provided through YouTube's, and all the several resources that you have added. I'm sure um, in the future when you teach further students with this class, I think you should stick to it, because again, coding is, we can't learn it in like one lecture session. So it's the best method to learn code through watching videos over and over and again. And yeah, that helps us learn code by watching the video, as we cannot do it in a 2 hour session. Again, thanks again, Greg, for really, I was glad to be in part of this class. And again, I hope to learn PHP and coding more further in the future. I mean, I shouldn't say too much in the future about coding, but let's see how far I can go by keeping the skill set of PHP. And yeah, thanks again, Greg. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great summer, and I hope you enjoyed my final. And inserting the I will be submitting this YouTube video file plus my data the file that will contain this code. Thanks again, Greg. Bye bye.